In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Slack in Notion. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and improve collaboration across your tools, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Slack within Notion and enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Slack website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to slack.com. Here, we'll be utilizing Slack's work management and productivity tools. Once you're on the Slack homepage, you'll need to sign in. Look for the option to sign in with Google. This is a quick and secure way to access your Slack workspace without needing to remember another password. Just click on it and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Follow through with the sign-in process, making sure you have access to the correct workspace. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is the hub where all your channels, messages, and settings reside. From here, look for the Add Apps option. It's typically located on the left sidebar within your dashboard. Click it. This is the gateway to integrating your favorite tools into Slack, making your work environment more versatile and unified. In the list of available apps, locate Notion. This will allow you to directly link Slack with your Notion account, a powerful tool for organizing thoughts, projects, and documents. Once you find Notion, click on it. If Notion doesn't immediately appear, you might need to use the search function to find it. After selecting Notion, you'll see an option to install. Click on this. It's essentially the process of getting permission for Slack to communicate with Notion. Installing the app is straightforward and typically just requires a few clicks. Following the installation, there should be a button labeled Add to Slack. Make sure to click this. It's a crucial step as it finalizes the integration, allowing you to start using Notion right within your Slack workspace. By adding Notion to Slack, you'll streamline the way you share and manage information, enhancing both team communication and project management. And that's it! You've successfully embedded Slack in Notion. This powerful integration allows your team to remain on the same page without having to juggle multiple apps or platforms. Remember, leveraging these tools effectively can help you boost productivity, save time, and keep everything organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with your colleagues. Thanks for tuning in and happy collaborating.